What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1975 Caprice convertible. So this car is actually already sold. The guy that bought it requested a video on it. I've done 2 this week. Probably gonna end up doing 1 more. We had a lot of cars that came in and sold before I could get them on the website, which is completely fine. A lot of people come from out of state, check our car lot out all the time. And most of the time there's always something new sitting up here. Doesn't mean we're not going to have an update next week. We got plenty of cars going on, so check our website when we update on Monday. Today what we're going to do is just kind of talk about this car. It's very unique. It's been sitting in a garage since '93. Should be the original motor. I decoded the back, come back, decode correct, 400. And I'd say if it's been sitting that long, this one's going to be the original motor. The spots you're seeing on here, they said they had a bunch of boxes and stuff sitting on top of the car in the garage for that long. And it started up, we drove it back. I mean, this thing is good to go. Run awesome down the interstate. But yeah, we're gonna take it down the road. Check out maplemotors.com. We buy cars every day. I got close to 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot. I have financing available and I have shipping available. I was really hoping to get this on my website, but you know what? We still get to do the YouTube video as requested by the buyer. So it's about that time, guys. Let's go for a ride. Still gonna look around on the interior before we take off. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? And it's hard to stand behind mileage, but I guarantee, I can't say guarantee, I don't guess, but I'm very positive that this is 54,000 miles. It's so quiet when you start it. I don't even know if I can hear it right now. Radio's jamming. I wonder if the AC works. Compressor kicked on. Wipers work. Ooh, I felt the dust come out of there. It's not freezing cold, but I did hear the compressor kicking on. Horn, y'all ready? Interior is in great shape, front and rear. Good deal. All right, we're gonna take off down the road. Halfway through the test drive, I'll put the top down and we'll get some outside shots. Let's hit the road. All right, now we're gonna take off here. Anything I see that's wrong, I will point out. I have a good feeling about this car. It's so quiet and smooth. Let's try our brake. The brakes feel good. We'll be checking it out. I really like how the steering wheel says classic in the middle. It knows what it is. Oh man, I can't see. I can't see. We're not taking a chance, man. There we go. Oh wow, it still works. Everything's working. Wow, this thing is smooth. Speedo's coming up. The car is going straight as an arrow right now. The steering's super tight. Kick down, tuck nut. How fast can we stop? Nice. This thing drives awesome. To be sitting since '93. Still controls your mirror over here on the dash. Might as well even try the lighter. Let's just see if the lighter works. I don't think the lighter works. Everything else does. Even the clock is still ticking up here. Turn signals popping up on the dash. I don't see the left one. The right one's working. The left one, the flasher's not on there. I can hear it clicking, but it's not actually flashing on the dash. All right, I'm gonna pull over here, drop the top, get some outside shots, drive over the camera, and head back to the lot. I definitely wanted to show this one off. It is, we don't get too many of these. And like I said, this week, a lot of people came in, seen the kind of stuff that we already had for next week, and started scooping some of these up. Next, I have a Chevelle that's going to be on the next video that was awesome. And a guy came in and said, "What's this?" Jeff literally went, took his pictures, came back, and the guy bought it. I'm sure he'll see the video. He said that he watches the videos all the time too. That's what brought him down, just to see what we had. He ended up leaving with a car. Let's see here. Our brake light is on the dash. I don't know why. I haven't had any brake issues. Could be low fluid. We can check all that. But let's get these shots. Just gonna kind of look at the body real quick. We're making 2-in-1 videos today, since the car's already sold. Tires are still in good shape. Looking at the lower panels. As you can see on top, it needs a full repaint. It's gone right there. There's no paint sitting on this hood, look. All right. Okay, so I pulled both of the handles up here. They're nice and smooth still. I hit the top down. I pulled it, but there it goes. Okay, now push down. This thing, is it slow or what? A little bit. But look how big the top is and how it comes together. Very cool. Okay, we got the top down. Windows, they're flying. And then we got this one. Sweet. Alrighty then. We had 3 people stop. Just driving by. I was like, man, I'm sorry. This guy was very fast to react and buy the car. And he got a good one. This thing is smooth. Everything works. It's like I'm driving a boat. I'm floating down the road. The guy pulled up and he said, it's burgundy with cream interior. He loved it. Go to my little spot over here. Maybe I can get out quick. Yeah, here we go. November 21st. Got the top down. This is great. I wonder if the cruise control works. This is the road with the bump in it. You ain't even gonna notice in this car. These big boats, they never do. Let's see if the cruise control works. I don't think it does. I'm trying to get it to work, but it's not. All right, we're rolling back up here, guys. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every day. All right. But if you have any other questions, check out maplemotors.com. I do have some new cars coming to you on Monday. Be sure to watch Monday afternoon. You can see all the new stuff. Later on throughout the week, I'll be posting the test drive videos of all the new cars. But for now, if you see something you like, there's 100 to 150 detailed pictures of all the new stuff and every car on the car lot. We also have financing, shipping options, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, you name it. It's your one-stop shop for muscle cars. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every day, and you can also hit the notification bell to be alerted when I do. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.